Looking for a quick and effective way to collect signatures or information from multiple contracts, reports, or invoices? Try using LinkToFill. It lets you share your documents with colleagues and customers, store the information you need in one place, and even receive payments. Choose the document you want to share and click LinkToFill in the right toolbar. Drag and drop text, number, and other fillable fields in your document. If you want, you can add up to 5 documents to make them accessible for filing. Start customizing accessibility options for your document. Protect it with a password, enable HIPAA compliance, and generate an ID to easily track a document. If you need, select a date for when access to your document will expire. You can ask recipients to verify their identity with authentication via SMS, social media, or a photo, or request additional information by requiring additional documents to be attached. With pdfFiller, you can collect payment every time your document is filled out or signed. Connect your bank account using Stripe or PayPal, then just enter a payment amount and add a reason for collecting payment. Before submitting their fillable form, recipients will need to pay with a credit card. Make your fillable document look professional. Add a company logo, welcome message, your business card, and tutorial video. Customize who can sign and edit your document, and enforce required fields to never skip important information. Verify a recipient's signature with the pdfFiller stamp. Enter an email address to receive an instant notification along with the submitted document. Connect your personal cloud storage and save all filled out documents there. Once you've finished customizing your document, click Publish to make it publicly accessible. Choose the way you want to distribute a fillable document. Create a link and share it on social media, messengers, and newsletters. Generate a QR code or a button for your site. Customize the button's text, size, and color. Then, copy the HTML code and paste it in your website. We've created the Form Filler app that lets anyone fill out and sign documents on any mobile device. You will receive a link to the submitted document in your email. Follow the link to access the document or go to My Docs, Inbox, LinkToFill, and select Filled Forms to view filled out documents, or download or export them in Excel format. Use pdfFiller to enhance your productivity today.